Morning, ladies and gents. Back at it again. This time at the Castaic Lagoon with the Urban Angler Club local tournament trail here in SoCal, the Los Angeles area. Yeah, gonna try to stay consistent, catch a limit. It's my expectations. Catch one fish and go from there, and see how we do. Yeah, just gonna go out here and have some fun, man. I love fishing, love the passion. We're all competitive, but at the end of the day, we're all just fishing. So we're gonna go out here and have some fun. I got some exciting news that you might find out before this video even hits, before I drop it. We'll see what happens. We're gonna go out here and have some fun. Gonna drop the unlimited, Nucanoe unlimited in this this lagoon here and try to catch some. 12 3/4, nothing too big, but that gets me on the board. Thanks, little dude. Beats the skunk. $11.5, non-scoreable, but it's a little good. What's up, peeps? Recap of the tournament. 19th place out of, I think, 30-something anglers. Not the finish I wanted, but I had a blast. Always a good time with the Urban Angler Club, a local club here in the Los Angeles, Southern California area. So I took my Nucanoe Unlimited onto this body of water for the first time. I fished it before on a kayak last season, but not this season or this year at all with the Nucanoe Unlimited. And she handled it like a champ. Ran into some motor problems. Haven't diagnosed it yet, but to get the day started, blast off 7 a.m. Get to my first spot. Some docks, pitch around docks. Find a buck on a bed, pitched to him, set the hook at 12 3/4. Kept moving. Saw some other fish on beds. They weren't locked on. They were staging. So I didn't want to spend too much time there. I just kept moving. As soon as I went to hit to my next spot, put the motor in high gear, and that thing was shaking like crazy. So I shut it down, looked at the prop, thought maybe something was stuck in it. Nothing was in it that I could see. I wasn't about to beach the kayak and diagnose it right there and then, just make a cluster of things. So said I just keep it in low gear and just keep on fishing. I'm here to have fun, catch some fish, share some laps and all that good stuff with these people. So that's what I did. I kept fishing, got to my second spot that I wasn't planning on. I just stumbled upon this spot and I was like, nice pocket, submerged trees, maybe the wind kick up, put some bait fish in here. That wasn't the case though. I didn't see no bait fish. I saw some fry garters and they weren't having it. But I picked another one off a bed. That was like 11 3/4, 11.5, non-scoreable. And then I pitched into some cover, and this thing hit my robo-worm like a freight train. It just dove into some cover. Tried to keep it pinned, and it spit the hook. I think another float tuber that came behind me set the hook on the same fish, and he broke off. And I think he went back again and tried it, and it broke off again or spit the hook. So it was a pretty big bass. I want to say it was a pretty big bass. Yeah, I can't say for sure. I didn't see the fish, but it hit it hard. And not just my bait, but another float tuber's bait. And that's the thing with this club. We have float tubers, kayakers, pond crawlers, anything under 14 feet, electric motor only, and bank fishermen. Like, we have all walks of life of anglers with us and this group, and it's awesome. After the derby's over, we gather around for the award ceremony, or we share our stories or what's going on, how the day went. It's nothing but good times and laughs. That's what I love about this club. But yeah, 19th place, not the finish I wanted, but it's all good. On to the next one. Hope you guys stick around. Peace.